So hi everybody. So welcome to a new session of Brainstorm, which is basically numerical questions. Okay, so this is the question number one of this second session. So in this session, this question is already provided you through the Telegram channel. So if you have to solve this question, then try to pause this video and try to solve. So basically, if you're trying to see the question, so there is two things it is basically going to ask you. One is try to solve this question by using the area hypothesis. So before going to the question, let's just check whether the fundamentals are correct or not of yours. What basically we are going to see in case of the ARI. तो ARI cases में हमको ये पता है कि in case of the ARI it has constant density. Okay, so it has constant density, but it is in case of the Pratt model, so it is different density. So this is the main concept that we have to figure out. Okay, so if you are considering about the ARI model, so he is just trying to tell you that ये जो आपको जितने भी ये येलो कलर का मिल रहा है, तो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द क्रस्ट. ओके, तो ये जितने भी क्रस्ट हैं तो उनका एक दैट इज रो सी. ओके, एंड ये जो ग्रीन कलर का जो ब्लॉक्स हैं, so that is basically the parts of, or you can say part, or you can say blocks of the mantle which has a uniform density, that is rho m. Okay, but if you're just trying to consider about the Pratt model, so what he's just trying to tell you, so in case of the Pratt model of local isostacy, that it has different densities. If you're just trying to see this block 1, okay, and this is block 2, they don't have the same density. They have different densities. Getting my point now? So if this is containing the row 1, okay, so this is row 2, this is for the different block, and this is for the row 3. Okay, so is it clear for everybody? This concept is clear, and there is another concept left, that is your compensation depth, where the identical pressure across the horizontal surface we are going to experience. Getting my point now? What I'm just trying to tell you, that if you're trying to consider this block and this block, so they are going to exert the same, or you can say identical pressure on this compensation depth. Get my point? If this block, this it is going to exert the P1, and if this block is going to exert the P2, so at the compensation depth this P1 is equal to P2. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, so let's go to the question. So let's see what he's trying to ask you by giving some hints. Okay, so this is your 4 kilometer high mountain chain. That means this is the height of the mountain, that is small s ले लेते हैं, and that is in the equistatic equilibrium with a 40 kilometer thick continental crust. इसको ले लेते हैं thickness of the crust, that is your TC. Okay, and the continental crust has a density of 2.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. We are going to consider them as rho c. Okay, and the density of the mantle is also given as, that is 3.2 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. इसको हम ले लेते हैं rho m. Okay, and the overall height of the mountain we have to calculate, and the density is also going to be calculated by using the ARI hypothesis and Pratt hypothesis. If we have a model like this, this is a normal crust. ठीक है, ये अगर मान लो ये crust है, okay, that is your rho c. If you are just trying to consider about the ARI hypothesis, okay, so in this case what is happening in this ARI cases, if I am just trying to add a mountain here, तो what is just trying to exert, तो ये जो प्रेशर यहाँ पे दे रहा था P1, okay, ये जो P2 देगा, तो it is basically the P2 is higher, तो उसको कैंसिल करने के लिए there is a root is going to be created. Okay, root means due to the presence of the mountain, so below the continental crust there will be root. तो ये जो रूट जो अभी जो प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करेगा, दैट इज बेसिकली गोइंग टू बी P2. वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंसीडर ऑल द थिंग्स दैट द गिवन पार्ट. तो मैं यहाँ पे और एक बार लिख लेता हूँ कि व्हाट इज गिवन एक्चुअली. तो गिवन पार्ट में क्या है, तो व्हाट आर गिवन, तो गिवन केसेस में तो रो सी इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, दैट इज जो 2.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and there is h, that is height of mountain, that is your 4 kilometer, and there is thickness of continental crust, that is your 40 kilometer, and there is density of mantle, that is your 3.2 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, so there is two ways by which you can solve this question. One is by using the direct formula, another is that you can use the lithostratigraphic pressure formula, by which you can also calculate the answer. Okay, if you are trying to prove the normal concept that at the depth of the compensation depth all the pressures are actually identical. Okay, so that is for the ARI hypothesis. Okay, तो ARI hypothesis में हमको ये कहा जाता है कि यहाँ पे डेप्थ ऑफ कंपनसेशन, अगर मान लो कि दिस इज योर डेप्थ ऑफ कंपनसेशन, तो एट दिस डेप्थ वी आर गेटिंग द आइडेंटिकल प्रेशर बाय द ब्लॉक साइड ऑफ दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज योर कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट. इसके ऊपर मैं छोटा सा एक माउंटेन कर लेता हूँ, देन उसके नीचे दिस इज योर रूट. ओके, तो उसको अगर नोमेनक्लेचर को दे देते हैं, ओके, सो दिस इज योर TC, ये जो यहाँ था यहाँ तक TC, okay, and this is your H, okay, and this is your TC, and this is your R, okay, getting my point now? So whenever there is continental crust, we are getting rho C, here we are getting rho C, here we are getting rho C, and all you are getting rho C, and this is actually the mantle part, okay. So where then what is the density here? The density will be rho M, ओके, तो हमको जो कंसेप्ट पता है, तो हमको ये पता है कि द प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय दिस प्लग इफ दिस इज दैट इज P1 and this is P2, the P1 is equal to P2. Okay, then what is the formula for the lithostatic pressure? That is your rho gh. So rho means that is the density of the medium, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the thickness. Okay, so you guys already know this one. Okay, so we are directly going to use this formula. Okay, in case of the P1, if you see carefully here what is happening, so this block, that means ये जो continental crust है, तो ये जो block का और ये जो block का, they have the same density and the thickness. So if you are trying to see carefully this lithostratigraphic formula, so G is same everywhere, and which one is the deciding factor? The density and the thickness. Okay, so we are going to use that one, and in this region so we are getting the same concept. तो इसको हम कैंसिल कर देते हैं, because ये जो प्रेशर यहाँ पे एक्सर्ट करेगा, ये जो प्रेशर यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस करेगा इसकी वजह से, तो वो सेम ही है. ओके, तो उसको हम अभी क्या देखेंगे, ये जो ब्लॉक है मेंटल का जो ब्लॉक है, एंड ये जो माउंटेन का जो हाइट वाला जो ब्लॉक है अबव द मीन सी लेवल, दिस इज एक्चुअली योर मीन सी लेवल, दिस इज योर मीन सी लेवल. तो मीन से ऊपर का जो माउंटेन है उसका प्रेशर एंड दी रूट का जो प्रेशर, तो उसको सेम किसके साथ होगा, ये जो मेंटल का जो ब्लॉक है. ओके, तो व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू सी हियर, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, दिस इज योर रो एम जी, एंड थिकनेस ये यहाँ पे थिकनेस क्या है, आर. ओके, दैट इज बेसिकली इक्वल विथ रो सी एच जी प्लस रो सी R G. Okay, if I'm just trying to cancel G at both the sided, so it will be look like rho M R. Okay, R को यहाँ पे मैंने से लिखा था R, and this is rho C H plus rho C R. Okay, so if you're just trying to calculate for the root only, because हमको यहाँ पे पता है कि density क्या है. ठीक है, हमको दो चीज कैलकुलेट करना है, that is one is density and another is your height from the top to the bottom, or you can say up to the depth of compensation. तो ये हमको करना है. ओके, दैट इज जो रो एम, इसको अगर हमको आर निकालना है, तो इफ आई एम ट्राइंग टू rewrite this equation in this format, it will be correct. just check it. r मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे रखने दिया, तो इसको इसी को इस दूसरे साइड में ले गया बेसिकली लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में इसको ले गया, दैट इज योर रो सी एंड इट इज योर रो सी एच. Okay, then how R is going to be calculated? The R will be rho CH upon rho M minus rho C. Okay, so in this way you can calculate if you forget the formula. Okay, okay. So then what we have to do here? Now we just have to put the given data here. Then we will get our answer. Okay, so rho C, that is your 2.8, where I have just have to, मैंने इसको erase कर देता हूँ. Okay, so if I'm trying to see here, so what will be R here? R will be rho C, that is your 2.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube into height. What is height? Height is basically 4 kilometer. Okay, then we just have to write for the rho m. Rho m is basically 3.2 minus 2.8, उसको होल में कर देते हैं, that is your into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, is it clear? Okay, तो सीखिए, तो what is basically going to you, जब भी हम न्यूमेरिकल्स करते हैं, तो I basically suggest my student that always remember about one concept, that is your identical unit. Identical unit. So what is identical unit? So identical unit means whenever you are trying to do a numerical, so try to be more focused towards the units. So what is basically going to give you 3.2 minus 2.8? So it is going to give you, I think, 0.4. Okay, so this is going to give you 2.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube into 4 kilometer upon 0.4. 0.4 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, is it clear? So now we just have to cancel some units here. This kg per meter cube is going to be cancelled by this one. So this 10 to the power 3 is going to be cancelled by this 10 to the power 3. Okay, now 2.8 upon 0.4, that is simply 28 divided by 4, that is your 7. Okay, you are getting here 7. So 7 into 4 kilometer, it is going to give you 28 kilometer, but it is not the answer. This is basically the thickness of the root. Okay, so that is basically going to be cancel the pressure exerted by the माउंटेन अबव द मेन सी लेवल. तो उसको कैंसिल करने के लिए तो रूट यहाँ पे बनाए, वो जितना हाइट बढ़ेगा तो यहाँ पे रूट का थिकनेस भी बढ़ेगा. ओके, तो दिस इज 28 किलोमीटर. बट व्हाट इज द आंसर? तो आंसर हमको ये पूछा गया था कि व्हाट इज द ओवरऑल हाइट ऑफ द माउंटेन. सो दैट इज योर एच प्लस, तो व्हाट विल बी द ओवरऑल हाइट. तो ये जो ओवरऑल हाइट है दैट विल बी योर एच प्लस टी सी प्लस आर. तो एच आपका क्या हो जाएगा 4 किलोमीटर प्लस टी सी आपका हो जाएगा 40 किलोमीटर, ये हो जाएगा आपका 28 kilometer. Then at last, what will be the answer? The answer will be 4 plus 40, that will be 44. 44 plus 20, that is your 64. 64 plus 8, that is your 72 kilometer. This will be your answer. Okay, and the density, you guys already know. Calculate the density. In case of the area hypothesis, it is the same. That means it is basically this 2.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, so it is as per the area hypothesis. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the Pratt hypothesis. As we know, in case of the Pratt hypothesis, what is happening if this is your depth of compensation? मान लो कि this is your depth of compensation DOC. Okay, तो what is happening here? If this is your continental crust, okay, तो ये आपके यहाँ पे ऐसा continental crust था. That means it has a density of rho c. This is also density of rho c. But when there is a mountain, okay, when there is a mountain, so what is happening? So when there is a mountain, that means it is above the mean sea level. This is actually your mean sea level. Okay, this is your mean sea level. So this is above your mean sea level. तो जब हो जाएगा, this rho c is going to be changed. Okay, तो ये rho c change हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? अगर मान लेते हैं कि rho h हो जाता है, ठीक है? तो now this rho c is not equal to rho h. It is basically going to give you different density because that is the concept in case of the Pratt hypothesis. Okay, so but as per the concept, or you can say as per the general concept that we are basically adapted here, so what that is basically at the depth of compensation, the pressure exerted by the all blocks, okay, that is basically identical. Okay, यहाँ पे अगर मान लेते हैं कि this is your pressure exerted by the continental crust, that is your PC. यहाँ पे pressure exerted by the continental crust plus mountain, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा अगर मानते हैं कि pressure PM. तो now the PC is equal to PM. ओके, तो यहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा सा और नॉमेनक्लेचर ले लेते हैं. दिस इज योर टीसी, दिस इज योर हाइट ऑफ द माउंटेन, दैट इज योर एज. ओके, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज पीसी एंड व्हाट इज पीएम. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, रो जी एच वाला फॉर्मूला लगेगा. तो रो क्या है, रो सी जी प्लस थिकनेस क्या है, टीसी. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा, इसको एक ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, ऊपर वाला भी ब्लॉक कर देते हैं. नीचे वाला ब्लॉक का कितना प्रेशर वो एग्जर्ट करेगा, दैट इज योर रो एच नॉट सी. ओके, जी एंड थिकनेस क्या है, ये छोटा वाला ब्लॉक का, तो दैट इज योर थिकनेस ऑफ द कंटेंट प्लस दैट इज योर टीसी प्लस द रो एच जी एंड द आपका जो हाइट ऑफ द माउंटेन दैट इज योर एच. ओके, सो दिस विल बी आवर आंसर. ओके, यहाँ से हम निकालेंगे कि व्हाट विल बी द डेंसिटी. ओके, व्हाट विल बी योर डेंसिटी. ओके, तो रो सी जी वी आर गोइंग टू कैंसिल द जी बाय टेकिंग द कॉमन ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. हम उनको कैंसिल कर देंगे, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा सिंपली, तो रो सी TC is equal to rho h TC plus rho h h. Okay, so now we are going to return them as like, अगर हमको क्या निकालना है, we are going to find out the rho h. Okay, तो हमको rho h यहाँ पे चाहिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे, तो rho h को यहाँ पे कॉमन ले लेंगे. तो how it is going to be written as, it is going to be equal with rho h TC plus h. Okay, so I'm just trying to use these short forms, don't confuse in between them. First try to understand what as the short forms, then it will be easier. Okay, okay, so let's see what is happening here. So if you are just trying to write the formula for the rho h, so what it will be, the rho h will be rho c tc upon tc h. Okay, tc plus h. Okay, is it clear? So now we are going to use this formula in order to calculate our density. Okay, which is different in case of the Pratt. Okay, okay, so we have already know what is the given things. Okay, तो अगर रो एच मेरे को निकालना है, तो देन रो एच इज इक्वल टू रो सी, दैट इज योर डेंसिटी ऑफ द कंटेंट क्रॉस, दैट इज योर 2.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube into Tc. What is Tc? Tc is the thickness of the container crust. What it is? It is 40 kilometer. Okay, then this is your Tc plus h, thickness of the container crust, that is your 40 kilometer, plus h, that is your height of the mountain, that is your 4 kilometer. So what is basically going to do? So then we are going to calculate, that is it is 40 kilometer plus 4 kilometer. It is going to give you, and यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लिख देता हूँ in order to save some time and space. Okay, this is your 44 kilometer. So if I'm just trying to cancel the kilometer, then it will be going to give you like this. Okay, the 4 से अगर कर देंगे तो it is going to give you 11. ये 4 से कर देंगे तो it is going to give you 10. It is basically going to give you 28 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube upon 11. Okay, तो इसको अगर आप जब calculate करोगे, I have already calculated, so it is going to give you 2.54 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. If there will be any like gram per centimeter cube, then you just have to access the units in order to find out the correct answer. Okay, so this is basically what is the density. So density you guys already know, that is your 2.54 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. And what is the overall height? This is h plus tc. h आपका हो जाएगा 4 किलोमीटर, tc आपका हो जाएगा 40 किलोमीटर. Then the thickness total or overall height will be, it is your 44 kilometer. Okay, is it clear? Thank you so much for attending this session. If there will be any doubt, you can just put in this comment box, by which we can just review them and we'll get back to you. Okay, and follow us and subscribe our channel in order to do more numericals like this. Thank you so much.
No way.